Now we got the basher's attention. So what can you say, Jeff?
I say, too bad for you. Move on.
Let's continue. Let's continue the saga of Afam, a ticket out of poverty, or Afam, sagot sa kahirapan. Let's go. I will show you more. Right, Jeff?
That's right.
Okay, let's do it. Welcome back sa Afam, sagot sa kahirapan. So, nakikita ba ninyo tong mga aso namin? May gate ba kayong ganyan? Charot. Hey, come on, Sasha! Sasha! So we have 7 dogs. Ito ay mga Bernedoodles. Kapag sinerch mo ang Bernedoodles, it costs $1,500 to $5,000 US dollars. So mag-compute na kayo dyan, mga Marites. Ito yung mga una naming aso. This is River. At si Sasha, which is a Bernese Mountain Dog and a Poodle. Alam ba ninyo, nanggaling pa ito sa US. Sumakay pa sila sa aeroplano. Kayo, nakasakay na ba kayo? At yung magiging anak nila. So, dahil dyan sa AFAM, kaya nagkaroon ako ng mga nagkakagandahang mga aso. Bye-bye! Ayan, kahit mayaman na kami at marami na kami mga sasakyan, naglalakad pa rin kami because we want to exercise and we want to be healthy. Right, Chef?
Right, that's right. And check on our baka.
And guys, tama kayo. I stand to be corrected, so I apologize. Ang baka po is cow at ang kalabaw po ay carabao, which meron din kami. So it's not a problem. Come on. Come closer, Jeff, so they can see it. See, we don't only have 1, not 2, not 3, but 4, 5. Oh my God! Alam nyo, I'm not sanay anymore because, there's so many tae here. But I want to show you also our bakas. We only not have 1, 2, we have 3, we have so many of it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You cannot count them by your hands only. And we also have goats here. These are my goats. See, we also have goats here. Say hi, baby. Not 1, but 2. And that's because of my afam, sagot sa kahirapan. Bye-bye. I don't want to share it, but come over, come here. So, this is also ours. I don't want to share it, but since you guys are here, so this is one of our many trucks. Ciao! Bye! It is just so hot, in the Philippines, but it's okay. And you see those baka? Those are our bakas too. But anyway, let's go. Come on, Jeff.